So far in Euro US dollar, this inefficiency resting right here is a key level that I'm actively watching. And I wanted to see a 30 minutes break of structure from that key level. And so far, as you can see, we created a high, created a low, and then eventually broke structure right here. So as you can see, this was the last down close candles before this overall expansion that broke the structure. And we'll have an inefficiency resting right here. So I wanted to see a retest. I didn't just blindly place an entry at this inefficiency because I don't really know whether price is going to continue higher or lower. Nobody has that information. All we're looking for to see is the reaction when price comes to our key level. And right there, this right here is my daily key level, my daily point of interest. The first thing I wanted to see is a 30 minutes break of structure. And as you can see, we created a high right here. And then we broke that high. So right here is my point of interest. And this inefficiency is where I wanted to see price mitigate. And after that mitigation, I want to see a 4 minutes break of structure from that point of interest. And right here, you can clearly see a 4 minutes break of structure. Now, if we are bullish on Euro US dollar, the last thing I would like to see before a continuation to the upside will be for price to mitigate this key level. Right here, I wouldn't want to see the low get violated. Right there, you can see the red box. Stop loss 3 pips below this low, and then right here would be my entry position. If price comes in here, I'm going to enter and then take this to the upside. Most potentially anticipation for price to run the buy side liquidities that I'm also going to outline right here. So for me to get in, I would like to see price visit this key level. And if visit this key level, I'll get into the market in anticipation for a continuation to the upside, potentially to run the buy side liquidity that I'm also going to outline as well in this video. First buy side liquidity that I'll be looking at would be this key level right here, this inefficiency. That would be my first key level where I'll be scaling out 70% of the profit, because overall I still remain bullish. Because if you look at the 12-month time frame, this is very bullish, creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a higher high. So most likely price came down here, mitigated this inefficiency that was resting at an extreme discount level. So if you use the Fibonacci, drive from this low to this high, you can see this is my extreme discount, and price mitigated it and it expanded higher, rejected off that key level very nicely. So in my opinion, I still remain bullish on Euro US dollar in anticipation for higher prices.